banyak kan.
Okay. Shake.
Ini bentuknya yang kita pegang apa?
Iya.
Look. You need to bring the muscle side.
Ya.
Push,
Ototnya dikesamping.
grip. Okay?
Dorong.
Push and grip. Push and grip. Push and grip.
Remas.
Don't do this.
Nggak boleh
Direct to
tekan.
the bone.
Nggak boleh tekan ke tulang.
Okay? You need to put it aside.
Kesamping.
Then push and grip. Push and grip. Push and grip.
Dorong, tangkap.
Don't ask to the customer, sir, this one is okay.
Jangan bilang.
No need to ask.
Gak usah nanya.
Okay? As long as your hands is in the side area, not like this.
Oke.
Okay, side.
Langsung di samping. Samping.
But
Pantat.
if the customer, when you hear that, no. Sometimes
Ya.
don't touch the customer. Don't touch.
Jangan sentuh.
When you start, the customer sometimes don't touch in my back. Okay. Okay, sir. And then proceed.
Oke, baru lanjut dilewat kalau
Oke.
jangan nggak mau. Ya kalau nggak mau.
Ada makwa, but the customer don't like to touch his back.
Kalau suka disentuh pantatnya, baru lanjut ke atas.
Okay? But if the customer nothing to say about or the do's and don'ts for him, just do your job.
Ya, langsung aja.
Okay?
Lanjut.
Just do your job.
Ya, langsung massage saja.
Kadang nggak ngomong.
Nggak ngomong apa-apa ya.
Okay?
Oke, langsung naik di pantat, tumitnya, sorry apa, dengkulnya, dorong, tarik,
You know how fast?
tahu berapa cepat gerakan kita,
Don't do this.
jangan kayak gitu.
Don't do that.
Jangan
Oke.
kayak gitu.
Release,
Lepas,
push, release,
dorong,
push,
lepas,
release,